Hey everybody, and welcome to Key, Cam, and the fam. Guys, today I am in the kitchen cooking my Thanksgiving greens, my holiday greens. So guys, today we have a medium-sized onion. We have that good old bacon grease. We have some garlic powder, slap your mama seasoning, onion powder, Lipton onion mix. And guys, if you have never tried this, try this. You gotta try it. And it's that Wiley's green seasoning with smoked turkey green seasoning. Y'all know we using turkey tails. Y'all know I use turkey. And I'm gonna also go in with some Sazon. Boy, this right here, it brings out the flavor in your food. So we have our mustard and turnip greens, and we have a 14-ounce can of chicken broth. So we have 8 turkey tails already in the water, and as you can see, I fill my pot, whatever size pot I'm cooking, I always fill it halfway up. So we're going to start out with turning on the stove. You ready, cameraman? Yeah. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go in with that chicken broth. To the chicken broth, we're going to add in our greens, and we're going to take our time with these greens because we don't want to lose any of these greens. These greens have been washed and cleaned already. And we try to drain as less water as possible out of the greens because we put all that good turkey flavor to these greens. So we don't want no green water. So we're gonna put this in here, and I'll probably have to add a little bit in as I go. I'll probably have to go out to the garage, y'all, and get my my bigger pot. But my family love greens, so we're gonna have a lot of greens, guys. Cam says thank God. So we're gonna allow these to cook down only a little bit. So once these cook down a little bit, I'm gonna bring you guys back and add in that good seasoning. Okay guys, so we're gonna go in with some onions. And this is a medium-sized onion. It doesn't matter if your onions are not the same size, trust me. By the time this finished cooking, you probably won't even be able to see them. Okay, so to this we're adding in our Wiley green seasoning, and we're going to go in with the entire packet. We're going to go in with our Lipton onion mix, and we're not going to use the entire packet. Have to pay attention to the Lipton onion mix because it do have a lot of sodium, so we're only going to go in with a little bit. We're going to go in with some onion powder. We're going to go in with our Cajun season, very little, guys. We're gonna go in now with some garlic powder, very little. And we're gonna go in with our Sazon, and we're gonna use the entire package. And this is really good for vegetables, meat, everything, to be honest with you. Now we're going to go in with our bacon grease. I hope you guys are holding on to your bacon grease, because that's where a lot of your flavor comes from. And that's how much we're using. We're going to use 2, it's a little over 2 teaspoons. I can tell you that now. I'm going to go in with a little more. And I'm going to put some black pepper in here, but I know it's downstairs, but we're going to put some black pepper in here, and I will bring you guys back. Well guys, my greens have been cooking a little over an hour. So we're going to allow these greens to cook for probably about another 30 minutes. And then I'll bring you guys back. Well guys, as you can see, it has been another 45 minutes and these greens are so good. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I taste them. I leave some of the stems in my greens. So guys, man, I want to get me a bowl, but it's late. So guys, don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so you would know every time we're in the kitchen cooking. I hope you guys have a beautiful Thanksgiving day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.